This video is for entertainment purposes only. These messages come from my spirit guides through the Pendulum. They're shared with love and for the highest good. Trust your intuition and only take what truly resonates with your heart. Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 30th. Right now it's 7:50 a.m. Eastern Time. I want to express my deepest condolences for the lives lost in the tragic accident. My heart goes out to the families of those in the plane and in the Black Hawk. I mean no disrespect by discussing this. Are you here with me? Yes. Thank you. Was the crash an accident? Yes. Thank you. Was the crash a planned event? No. Thank you. Will the current administration use this tragedy as a strategic distraction from their actions? Yes. Thank you. Will the Orange One attempt to use this event to remain in office? Yes. Thank you. Was there interference with the aircraft that caused the accident? No. Thank you. Did the new Secretary of Defense play a role in any decisions leading to the accident? Yes. Thank you. Is his inexperience at fault? Yes. Thank you. Will this event be used to justify drastic policy changes? Yes. Thank you. Will the media shift focus to this story to avoid covering other major issues? Yes. Thank you. Will this tragedy cause increased tension between the military and the administration? Yes. Thank you. Is there classified information about this event that the public will never know? Yes. Thank you. Will this event cause a delay in the Orange One being removed from office? No. Thank you. Is the Orange One's reign coming to an end? Yes. Thank you. Will the Orange One still be POTUS by the end of this weekend? No. Thank you. Will the Orange One be POTUS on February 1st, 2025? No. Thank you. Will January 31st, 2025 be the last day that the Orange One will be POTUS? Yes. Thank you. Will Joey B. and the Lotus return to office as POTUS and Vice POTUS next week? Yes. Thank you. Will Joey B. and the Lotus be POTUS and Vice POTUS as of February 1, 2025. Yes. Are we going to have a brand new national election in February 2025? No. Thank you. Are we going to have a brand new national election in May of 2025? Yes. Thank you. Will the Lotus officially become POTUS as of March 2025? No. Thank you. Will the Lotus officially become POTUS June 2025? Yes. Thank you. Can you wave to all the people watching right now? Thank you. So there you go, guys. The answer to some of the questions that you guys left, as well as some that I thought of myself, plus our usual check-in questions, just to make sure that nothing has changed. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. It's all happening. Stay strong. I love you guys. I'll check in with you later.